Alan's Adventures with Inequalities. Alan's best friend was his calculator. He had always been great at math, thanks to his handy-dandy calculator. He knew just what buttons to push for any problem. Together, Alan and his calculator could conquer the universe. But then one day, his math teacher introduced a chapter about graphing inequalities. She told the students, "Your calculators can't help you with this." Uh-oh, thought Alan. He didn't know how to do math without a calculator. He started crying before he'd even tried one problem. His nice classmate Michelle noticed and went to help him. "Don't give up before you even try," she exclaimed. "I don't get it," sobbed Alan. "Don't worry, I'll help you," she said. "You know what this is?" Michelle asked. "A number line?" "That's right," said Michelle. "It's the x-axis, which is the number line. Let's say I wanted to point out all the numbers less than 2. Where are they?" "Well," said Alan, 1, 1/2, 0, the negatives, all the numbers to the left of 2. "Exactly," said Michelle. "The way we show that is by filling in the graph to show all the possibilities. And because the number could be 1.99, 1.999, but never all the way to 2, we communicate that by using an open circle." "What confuses me most is the signs," said Alan. "Well," explained Michelle, "one way to remember it is to look at the arrow you've shaded on the number line. Numbers less than 2 are to the left of 2. The left arrow makes the less than sign." "Okay," said Alan. "So x greater than or equal to -1 would be shaded to the right. The endpoint should be a closed circle because it can be equal to -1. And to write the inequality sign, I'm going to match the direction of the arrow." "You got it!" Michelle gave him a high five. Erica overheard the conversation and got excited. "I know another way to remember inequalities," she said. She drew it on the whiteboard. "There's a hungry Pac-Man hunting for food. On one side, he can get 5 pieces of food, and on the other, he can get 3. Which will he go to?" "Obviously where there's more food," said Alan. "So his mouth will open toward the bigger quantity. If there were more food on the left, his mouth would open to the left." "I see," said Alan. "That's why we can write the same inequality in 2 ways. If x is less than 10, that's the same as saying 10 is greater than x. As long as the open side of the sign faces the quantity that is larger," agreed Erica. "Does anyone know what a graph is?" the teacher asked. "It's a picture the calculator makes," called Alan. "Well, that's not exactly the definition." Alan blushed. Erica was quick to raise her hand. "Yes, miss, it's a visual tool used to communicate data." "Good, Erica," said the teacher. "Is the number line a kind of graph?" "I guess so," said Erica. "Yes, it is. A number line is a one-dimensional graph. The coordinate plane is what we get when we put 2 number lines together, the x and y axes, so it's 2-dimensional. The coordinate plane is especially good for showing the relationship between 2 different variables." "Is there such a thing as a 3D graph?" asked Alan. "Yes, of course," exclaimed the teacher. "The third axis is called the z-axis. You can look forward to learning about that in a couple years." The students all agreed they couldn't wait to learn about 3D math, and that math was just so interesting. As for Alan, he learned that he didn't need to rely on the calculator so much. He could still be friends with it, but now he had also made friends in the real world, who helped him even more. The end.